Hello students, today we are going to discuss a new concept about the time, 24-hour clock. As we all know, a day has 24 hours. So in 12-hour clock that we use, the hour hand goes around the clock 2 times and shows similar timings twice a day. To differentiate between these 2 times, we use AM or PM. But air and railways travel timetables do not use AM or PM to show the times. Instead, they use 24-hour clock time. Now, let us see what is 24-hour clock time. As we all know, AM stands for the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. So 12 midnight, after 12 midnight it is 1 a.m. at the night, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the morning, 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. and then 12 noon. After 12 noon, 1 p.m. we'll not write it 1 p.m. in 24-hour clock. We'll write it as 13. 2 p.m. will be as 14. 3 p.m. will be as 15. 4 p.m. will be as 16. 5 p.m. will be as 17. 6 p.m. will be as 18. 7 p.m. will be as 19. 8 p.m. will be as 20. 9 p.m. will be as 21. 10 p.m. will be as 22. 11 p.m. will be as 23. And 12 midnight again. We can write 24 or we will write it 00 because from this hour the next day start. So in this way we can read 24-hour clock. So let us solve some exercises and understand it in a better way. Question is, convert the given time into 24-hour clock or railway time. Children, 24-hour clock is also called railway time. So the first question is 1:30 a.m. As you all know, after the colon, these are minutes. We do not change the value of minutes. So directly we will write minutes to the right side. So we have 30 minutes, we'll write 30 this side. Now, if the time is given with AM, we do not change the value of hours also. So we will write 01 and the unit will be hours. 0130 hours. Now, the condition will be same. After the colon, minutes are there. We do not change the value of minute. So, we'll copy minutes to the right side. Now, the time is given with PM. So, when the time is given with PM, we can add 12 in the given hours. 1 plus 12 is 13. Or we can make this clock, 24-hour clock, in our rough column and we can see the value of PM. The outer clock is telling the time in PM. 1 PM means 13. So we'll write here 30 hours. This is applicable only for the PM when the time is given in PM. So first method, either we can add 12 with hours or we can see the value in outer clock. So it is 1:30 PM equal to 13:30 hour. Let us see the next question. 8:20 PM. So at first we will write the minutes. 20 minutes are given and the time is given with PM. So what to do? 8 plus 12. 8 hours are given. 8 plus 12, 20. Or we can see this clock. 8, the value of 8 is 20 in 24-hour clock. So 20 hours. Next question now. 7:15 a.m. After the colon minutes, we will write as it is. Before the colon, hours. But the time is given with am, so we will not change hours also. We can write 07 to write it in 2 digits. 0715 hours. Next question. 9:25 p.m. Minutes, 25 minutes are here. Now the time is given with p.m. So 9. How many hours? 9 plus 12. 9 plus 12, 21. Or go to the clock. 9. The value of 9 p.m. is 21. So we'll write here 21. 25 hours. Next question. 11:25 a.m. 25 minutes. Time is given with am, so 11:25 hours. Next, 12:20 p.m. So 20 minutes. Children, in case of 12, if 12 is with PM, we are writing it as it is. And if the time is given with AM with 12 hours, so we will change it. And in PM, we will not change it. Why? Because 12 noon is in our inner clock only. Now, see the next case, 12:15 a.m. So what will we write here? 15 minutes. And for 12 midnight we can write 00 hours. Next, 2:30 a.m. 30 minutes. 2 hours with am, so we will not change because the time is given with am. Now 2:30 p.m. 30 minutes. 2 is with pm, so we can do 12 plus 2, 14, or we can see here 14. I hope you must have understood how to change the time given in 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock, or the time given in ordinary clock time into railway time. Now, let us see the next exercise. Convert the given time into 12-hour clock or ordinary clock time. The time is given in 24-hour clock and you have to convert it into 12-hour clock or ordinary clock time. In this situation also, last 2 digits are telling about the minutes and first 2 digits are telling about the hours. As I told you, we never change the value of minutes. So, for writing the given time into 12-hour clock, first we will put colon, and after the colon minutes are there. So 25 minutes will be after the colon. Now we will see for the first 2 digits which are for hours. If these 2 digits are smaller than 12, then the time will be in AM. Because this one is smaller than 12, so I'll write AM here. And if the number is smaller than 12, we'll write it as it is. So the time will be 1:25 a.m. Now see the next situation. 13:25 hours. Last two digits after the colon because these are minutes. Now we'll see for the first two digits. First two digits 13, which is greater than 12. So we will write PM here. As you are getting the number greater than 12, you will directly write PM here. Now the next step, we can subtract 12 from the hours. So what left? 1. Or we can see the value of 13. It is given 1. So 1:25 p.m. Two methods are here. Either you can subtract 12 out from the given hours. This is applicable only when the hours are greater than 12. So the answer is 1:25 p.m. Next, last two digits 20 after the colon, 20 minutes before the first two digits 15 greater than 12. So as you are getting the number greater than 12, you will write PM here. Now next, subtract 12 out of 15. You are getting 3. Or see the value of 15 here. It is 3. So we will write 3:20 p.m. Next, 21:15 hours. After the colon 15, 21 hours a year greater than 12. So PM. Now 21 minus 12 is 9, or the value of 21 is 9. 9:15 p.m. Next, 11:20 hours. 20 after the colon. 11 smaller than 12, so AM. And 11 will be as it is. 11:20 AM. Next, 12:15 hours. 15 minutes after the colon. And now the same thing as I told you there in the previous exercise. If the 12 is given in place of hours, it will be PM. So directly we can write here PM and 12. Next, 00:25. So how many minutes? 25. And first two digits 00 smaller than 12 AM. And 00 is the value of 12 midnight. So we'll write 12 here. Next, 55 minutes, 9 hours smaller than 12. So AM. Last question, 15 minutes after the colon. 16 is greater than 12, so write PM. Now 16 minus 12 is 4, or the value of 16 is 4. 4:15 PM. So I hope the topic is clear to you all, and I hope the video will be helpful for you all. Thank you so much.